Hello, I am Joanna, your facilitator for the CDA with class. I wanted to touch base with you quickly because I've noticed a number of students in submitting the assignment 2 are missing some components of the assignment. And so when you do not submit the entire assignment, I have been drafting that and sending a message asking you to complete the entire message or assignment. So here I have on my screen the Unit 2 assignment talking about observation and data collection. So if we scroll down and we look at the instructions, you'll see that the instructions contain several parts. So first of all, you'll see at the top that you need to have a minimum of 4 paragraphs. Each paragraph should be 3 to 5 sentences in length. So the first part of the assignment is to research checklists that look at developmental milestones or behaviors that you might observe in children. You're going to research 2 different checklists. You will provide the website, the web address for each of those checklists. You will also describe each checklist and how it is organized. In the second paragraph, you will talk about how each of these checklists might be helpful to you in your work with children. The second section of this assignment is that you will be doing an observation and documenting it using an anecdotal note. So an anecdotal note is when you are writing down everything that you see and hear and using objective language. So you're going to observe one child engaged in a specific experience or activity. Now remember, with infants and toddlers, we are following children's lead, so it should not be a teacher-led activity. It should be the child engaged in play or in something like you reading a book where they've chosen to participate. You will observe this child for 5 to 10 minutes. After that observation is when you are then recording everything that you saw and heard in your anecdotal note. So that's that section. And then in the final paragraph, you will talk about what you learned about the child in terms of their developmental level and current skills. So you're focusing on what the child knows and what the child is able to do. And then this last question, what new opportunities could you offer this child based on your written observation, really is intended to help you to think about how assessment information, how your observations can help you in planning around interactions that you have with young children, as well as materials or experiences that you may offer to that child. Really thinking about, okay, if this is where the child currently is developmentally, what comes next, right? And I really would encourage you to reference the checklist that you've researched if it provides developmental information, as well as your state early learning standards, which include a wealth of information about the domains of development. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You can email me. You can also post questions in the water cooler. Have a great week. Take care.